being an adult can be hard. You have responsibilities and you can be extremely frustrated. But sometimes we need to escape. This is called adult escapism and immersion. Even as adults of a mature age, like over 30, you have every right to escape. Get out of the mundane things that are going on in your life and take some time to just enjoy yourself. If that's what you're looking for, you found the right spot, because that's exactly what we're going to do at Lit Extra Something. Adult escapism, immersion, the whole nine. One way to do this is find the things that you like. And when you find some things that you like, go for it. You only live once. Enjoy yourself. So I'm going to take you where I love to go, Harry Potter world. And one of the ways that I escape is I take a few moments when I get a package. The package happens to come from the Wizarding Trunk of subscription boxes. If you enjoy a book and coffee, subscription box for that. If you enjoy dragons and, I don't know, like the Fourth Wing, there's subscription boxes for that. But this one happens to be one that feels like someone went shopping for me in Diagon Alley, and I get to escape for a few moments while I have this surprise package, retail therapy. It makes my heart flutter, and I have no idea what's in the box. And I'm excited about it. I'm so excited I couldn't even wait. So, without further ado, let's check out the Wizarding Trunk box. Comes in a package like this, and then when you open it up, you get the whole kit and caboodle box. It is like a trunk, a magical trunk. And this one happens to be the quarterly edition. This is a special edition. And this one happens to be based on the book, Order of the Phoenix. Except this time they gave it essentials. So I don't know what the essentials are. But one of the ways that I like to immerse myself and really escape is I got on my attire. I'm in my wonderful space that I've made for myself that's all immersive with all of the dark academia, Harry Potter things. And if you would like to see that a little bit closer, feel free to write a comment in. And I can show you how I did this thrifted. Everything you see here has been either thrifted or this one little item here is not thrifted. But I can tell you all about it. Be sure to leave a comment down below. So are you ready to check out the Wizarding box, the essentials? Let's do this. You get the first peek. I'm not going to even look. And this is what the box looks like. Now I have to get rid of that because that's spoilers. All right, that's your sneak peek. That's how the box looks. All right, I'm going to take you with me. I'm so excited. You got the first peek. So did it look good? Does it look like it's something good in here? I'm so excited. I can't. Oh, I love it. It starts off with a shirt. I'm going to come back to the shirt. I love shirts. Love it, love it, love it. But I'm going to come back to it because I want to see what it is all about. Now, usually, I try to say the big stuff for last. It's just the thing that I do. But anyway, all of the boxes usually come with, oh my, how cool is this? It is a lock and key. Very cool. I can put it on anything. I can put it on my journals. Oh, and it just popped open all easy. Okay. You need a lock and a key. Harry Potter has a trunk. You definitely need a lock and a key. That works. Not bad for the first little thing. Okay. I'm not a big fan of the little bottles of elixir or whatever. Oh my gosh. Wait. Before we go any further, I have to preface this. I'm one of those people, the way that I make this more immersive for myself is I guess at what I think is going to come in the box before I actually open up the box. So if you look here, you will see all of my predictions for the box and we can see if I actually got it right. I think I'm pretty good at this, if I don't say so myself. All right, so there's always some kind of elixir, and if this is the the Order of the Phoenix. Okay, you know, this is when they're doing all the practicing in the room of requirement. I don't know what kind of elixir they could have for this box, but I'm interested to find out. Speak clearly. It's flu powder. What? Can you see it good? I don't know about this one now, y'all. I don't know about this one. I don't know if this one's gonna fly. But flu powder is kind of cool. And that'd be different if they had like something else to go with the flu powder, but we shall see. Essentials, where you have to travel, right? So you gotta travel by flu powder. Okay, I get it. We're gonna travel by flu powder. Let's see how that works. Okay, we got a fancy box, and this was like something from the Weasleys. But I don't know. It says Widdershins? Only at Widdershins? Quiz complete quill. I'm excited. You know why? Because I love to write in my journal. Oh, this is nice. It's a quill. I love it. It even has a stand for you to hold your quill on and some ink. I wonder what color it is. It's orangish. Oh, this is like a shimmering color. This is pretty. Okay, that's a win. That's an essential. You have to have something to write with. I mean, come on, I'm a student. I'm a student at Hogwarts, people. Gotta love it. I love it so far. That one's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, I feel something. I should have done that. It's a journal. I love journals. Okay. Prefix journal. Yes. Exploring the origins of influence. This work examines the prefix whose early responsibilities grew into lasting power. Okay, wait a minute. This might be a book. It says prefix who rose to power. This might be a book. And if it is, I wonder if Percy's in it. I have some feels about Percy. If you have some feels about Percy yourself, feel free to comment below. Dumbledore. I love this one. This is good. Alas, earwax. Remember the birdie beans of all flavors, and that's what. Okay. It's Q-tips. Okay, I'm loving it. This is going in my bathroom. It's some Q-tips of last earwax, because remember, he hadn't had any in a while because he had a bad experience with the birdie beans. And he was talking to Ron. Yeah, that's an essential. You need Q-tips. Hygiene. I love it. That is really cool. I can't wait to put that in my bathroom. Okay, I have to put it back in this box. I'm one of those people too. Looks like we got 2 more things. I'm excited, and I have to show you the shirt. So I'm pretty excited. So I knew we was gonna have some kind of elixir. I don't know what though. This one is Windermere Drought. Really pretty colors. Loving the blue and the greens. I'm thinking that since the moon and everything is probably something as a student you need to help you stay up, so you can study for those OWLs. Okay, that one was pretty cool. Okay, we got a pen, and I am loving it. It's books. And I'm trying to figure out a way to display all of my pens and whatnot. And of course, I love it. We got some labels. Those are essentials, you know. Hello. We have to take charms and potions and all of these things. We need to know what we're working with. Got some flux weed. You know, got to make some stuff in case we need to make a polyjuice potion. We got some sunblind resin, some shredded knot grass. Might need to make some spells or whatnot. And we have some extra little literature. This one is Windermere Drought. Talks about it, the warning for it, how to prepare it. Warning, this draught is intended to encourage restful sleep and pleasant dreaming. Oh, so that's not what I thought it was. It's not to keep you up, it's to help you sleep better. Excessive use may result in prolonged drowsiness, difficulty waking, and vivid dreams that may linger upon waking. And of course, we get an enchanter. And if you're not familiar with these, this is the Magic magazine. Love it. All kinds of different articles in it. It's like your own little private newsletter. And it has all kinds of different things that you can do in it, from puzzles to articles that you can read, things that you can decipher. They talk about the rooms. They give you horoscopes, you know, tarot cards, you know, all the magical things. I love it. And we got one more. Ezekiel's Quality Wands. It's not Ollivander. And it's not the French lady if you go to Epic Park. And I don't know her name. In fact, I didn't even know if that's who she was. No, it's not. It's not a wand. Look what it is. You can even do it like a point. Like in the bookstore. When you go see, when they go at the bookstore, and this is how they point. So they can know which direction, so that you can go, you know, like potion, charms, and get your other little ingredients from the library. Well, from the bookstore. I love it. I love it. I love this box. This box was worth it. The hand, I think, is my favorite. I am loving this. The earwax bottle. Alas, earwax. These are my favorite. I can actually say, oh, see, that points my favorites. And of course, we have the shirt. So let me show you the shirt. And then the cheat sheet comes with each one of your boxes. It's going to tell you what everything is and what you can use it for. And in fact, the hand is a wand stand. Let's see if it's going to actually fit. What do you think? Nice display. I think I'm going to use it as a point, because that's what I remember from originally. So I'm excited for that. Alright. And the shirt is, and you see how much fun you can have as an adult just going through retail therapy for something that you don't even, I didn't know what was in the box. So it was a surprise. It wasn't me going out and going to a catalog and picking out the things. It was something sent to me that I paid for. And I will link it down below so that you can get your own if this is something that you would love to be immersed in. And see, you can wear your shirt. And this is for Wickham's. I'm going to go ahead and say it's Wickham's. Wickham's Wizarding Exporium. And then hold on, you got to see the back. The back is nice. Look at that. And I think this calls for a day out. And nobody has to know. In your own mind, you can have your own little Diagon Alley. I'm going to showcase my shirt and just enjoy myself out in the real world being a little witch. All right, if this is something that you enjoy and you would love to see more, please like and subscribe. It will keep us going. Don't forget to comment down below. Decorating and adding this to an adult living space. And if this or the prospect of adult escapism, immersion hits home with you, be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below so that we can start a community. I can't wait to take you on our next adventure. Don't forget to comment down below.